Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I have this tip to make some unstressless balls, but that are ideal to do them as toys for children, since they can take almost the way it is. They can beat it, crush it and mold it as they want, and will have a lot of fun doing them and playing with them, since it is a project that can be done together with their children, nephews or grandchildren, since it is not difficult, and with articles that we usually have at home. Let's see that we will need. We will need for each of the balls 4 medium-sized balloons, a funnel made from a bottle of soda, a bottle that has the widest neck that can be one of those containers where we put the catsup or mustard, flour that for each ball will be 3 cup quarters more or less, and finally scissors to be able to cut the balloons. Now let's see how to do them. We take the biggest bottle and put the funnel, and we are going to deposit the flour, careful not to throw anything. This will go down easier if we stir the funnel a little with the bottle from top to bottom as I show them in the video. We inflate one of the balloons enough to easily flour the flour and roll the tip so that the air does not get out and thus be able to adjust it to the neck of the bottle as shown below. Already done this, we release the globe and we started to drop the flour to enter it. The flour will enter easier if we gradually press the bottle as if we were inflating, but it can also be stirred as I do on the screen. Since we deposit all the flour in the globe, we remove it from the neck of the bottle and carefully begin to release the air so that it does not happen to me, and it comes out a lot of flour, and make a blender throughout the table as seen in the video. Since it was almost completely deflated, we tried to get all the air that has been inside massaging the globe, and thus settle the flour, as shown on the screen. It will be ready when you have a consistency like plasticine. Since the flour is sitting, and the balloon looks more or less as on the screen, we cut the mouth of this in the following way, almost stuck to where the flour is so that the ball we want is. It does not matter if a little flour will come out since it is right now, we will cover it with the other balloons. We take another of the balloons and cut the tip as seen in the video, and now we can put our hands to make it large, and completely cover the globe with the flour by ensuring that the center of this is where the other's hole is as seen on the screen. Already finished, you must see as follows. A well-formed ball that preferably tries to paste those holes with tan fast glue so that it does not disassemble. We do the same with the other 2 layers, so that it is very resistant for children, and can play with it wherever it is or so that they can use it as a dismantling ball. In one way or another they will see that they will be very useful, and with practice, they are very easy to do. As they see this is how they are, you can make them different colors, and some as a mask to resemble the characters that their children, nephews, or grandchildren, and they can crush them, and make them take almost any form, and can also be poured on the floor, and will not disarm or break, because that is why we put these 3 layers of balloons to endure a lot of time. As they could see, with only some balloons and tantita flour, we can make some dismantling balls for adults and balls, so that children have fun, and can throw them anywhere, of course without throwing them between them, since they are a bit hard to play that way, but they can use them to practice white shot or try to be in a position, etc. You will see what games you can do with these balls, and as always tell me in the comments as they ended up using them. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, give you like on the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us and hopefully they like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.